Welcome back to Gaming Frank channel. In today's video, I want us to discuss Lionheart. Alright, Lionheart is a prop firm owned by Godlove'S. Sorry, I greet you. Touch that guy. Maybe touch that guy that is smiling. That guy is opening his teeth. I greet you, mentor. I greet you. Alright, welcome back, guys. Lionheart is owned by Godlove, right? Our popular forex trader. In fact, a professional forex trader who makes a lot of money for himself. Now, this prop firm is getting a lot of reviews, and I want us to discuss about it in this video. So why I want to discuss this is because people are asking me to talk about it. Some persons chatting me up, laying some complaints, alright? Then because of that, I had to do a kind of review, that is a revisit, because this is actually the second time I'm doing this video. First of all, Godlove is a person we all know does reviews about platforms. And then it will not make sense that your own platform gets negative reviews too. So I don't know if that's what I'm saying. So when we come back from this short break, I will discuss this in details. Don't go anywhere, all right?
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
All right, let's revisit the idea of prop firm trading. Prop firm trading is actually a way or a means forex traders get capital, enough capital to scale up their profit in the forex market. So prop firm is like a funding program. They give you money to trade. They give you enough money that will allow you to take higher lot size in trading and make higher profit. So for instance, if you are a $100 trader, you will not make profit as someone who is trading a $5,000 account. And then someone trading a $5,000 account won't use the lot size which a $10,000 account trader will use, right? So all works according to their account you are trading. So prop firm generally, they came out to give these capitals to forex traders, people that can trade, so that you can trade and make money for yourself. Instead of using this smaller account, $100, $50, $10 to trade, come and use bigger accounts. Come and use $5,000 account, $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 accounts and trade. That is the idea, and it is good. Franklin, I support that idea. Now listen, the idea got bad when bad eggs turned it to business. You know what I'm saying? Something becomes bad when the initial motive changes to a negative motive. When the plan is to give people money to trade, turns to taking money from people. Of course, you have no option than to cancel that program, is it not? Something that is supposed to pay, then instead of paying, I greet you, mentor. I greet you. I greet you. Instead of paying, it takes from you. Are we still going to embrace it because it is still owned by a popular person, or maybe it is owned by your brother, your sister, or your relatives? No, we still have to talk about it. We all know what's going on in the prop firm industry. So many prop firms are out. Most of them are scams. Most of them. If we have 100 active prop firms now, brother, 80 of them runs scam programs. I'm going to tell the truth. Why are they running these programs? The point is that they give you a simulated account that is not real. First of all, take note of it. Those ones that are telling you they give you real account, brother, they don't give you that real account. They don't give you. Who will give you $5,000 account to trade? Even if you are the person's senior brother, he will give you $5,000 live accounts for you to trade with it. A Nigerian here, or maybe an African trader that will give you a live $5,000 account, give it to you to play with. What if you lose that money? Then look at the money you use in buying the $5,000 account. You used, let's say, you used $150 to get $5,000 account. Imagine see the logistics. You use $150 to get a live $5,000 account. So that when you now lose a lot of money, you lose, let's say you lose like $500 from the account. Who is in loss? You are putting the person is at risk. And nobody would like to die for you. Jesus Christ has died for us. Even after dying, he shouted a lie, a lie. He confirmed that human beings, they are not worth dying for. Then talk more of our fellow Africans to die for you. Give you his money to trade. So let's remove the life thing aside. It is all simulated. Now see the game. When they give you simulated accounts to trade, you now trade and make profit. They will pay you from their hard-earned money. Do you understand what I'm saying? That is where the payment is. And that is where the Ponzi scheme comes in. Because the money they will use to pay you is the money those losers, when I say losers, I mean people that are losing their account, because not only you bought the prop firm, other thousands of traders bought the account. So they will look at the account that took loss, take the money from there, settle you. So their prayer is that you don't make profits more than the profit they are generating in the business. So take for instance, in a month, the profit they have is let's say $2,000 from people that lost the profit. Then you came up and they took a profit of $5,000. You want to cash out $5,000 from them. Now that means they will carry out the profit they made from the month, pay you, ordinary you, then go into their bank, add extra $3,000 and pay you because you want to withdraw $5,000. Whereas from the Ponzi scheme, the money at hand is $2,000. So they will deny your payout. They will give you reasons why they won't pay you. They will even snub you. That account will go. Nobody will hear about it. So when these kind of things happen, that is why we talk. That is why we complain. The idea of Profem is good, is nice, but this is where we complain. Alright? So let's go to Trustpilot. People are talking about the Profem. I understand that person can be paid to do negative reviews, even the Trustpilot. Opposing platform can pay members to go to that platform and talk bad about you just to spoil your business. I fully understand that. But when the complaint is too much and looking more real, then we have to ask questions. So let's just dive into Trustpilot. I have something to show you. So in the comment section, you air your view. If you have similar experience, you also talk about it on the comment section. All right, I greet you. I greet you. All right, this is the review on Trustpilot, guys. All right. Now we have 5 stars, reading 86%. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Then 4 stars, 4%, still okay. Then 3 star, just 1%, still alright. 2 stars, the 1% is there, but 1 star it went up to 8%, very close to 10%. So that's why I will quickly go to this negative part to know why they are shouting. Because I know if I go to this 5 star, you will see praise and worships. So let's just go to 5 star and read meaning into what they are saying. I know some may be fake, alright, but out of this 8% person talking, let us see if we can get points from what they are saying. Alright guys, this is the negative star, guys. Let's see what they are saying. So the first person is a crypto billionaire, alright. He said denied $3,500 payout, alright. Now this is his statement. I thought as a new company they will be honest and pay out for my hard work. They denied my payout based on stupid reasons. All these HFT professions are scam. Be careful, they only pay out peanuts so that they get good review. So other unconspicuous people can pay them over and over again. This is not acceptable. Keme, starting like this will only expedite your downfall and insolvency. Grammar is too much. This will not go unpunished. Who will punish them? Better run far. Okay, this is just giving a negative review. Let's go to the next person and see what's up. This person is Otman Khalifi. He says scam company hide the rules when and that. So scam company hide the rules, and when you want to get payout, just they giving excuses or reasons, stupid mistakes, right? So all trading instruments, this is coming from King Cyprian. All trading instruments disabled except gold. So all other pairs disabled, GBUSD, ADUSD except gold, and you know how crazy gold can be. Okay, let's see. All instruments disabled except gold, metals enabled on all my 2 challenges accounts. He bought 2 challenges accounts, only gold shows. What is the use of having the account and you can't trade any of them? I am not a fan of gold. It has been 1 month already, but no response from the support team. Last time I complained about this, so all these things, he took time to write all these things. I don't think he's making up stories here. Let's read the last paragraph. This just shows that they will never reply to you, but they will reply to your Trustpilot review, stating that they have been sending you several emails to rectify the problem. Please do something about this. I value my money and the time I use in purchasing these 2 challenges accounts. You tried 2 accounts purchased. Another person says you can't do scalping on this Profem. What is your reason? You can go to Trustpilot and check out some of these things, alright? So that it won't be as if it's coming from my mouth. So all these things are what he wrote about the prop. So let's check up another one and see if we have another review. Someone says too bad. This is the worst experience I've ever had. I should have given 0 rating if there is 1. There is no 0 rating, it's just 1. Okay, point of correction, don't go to 0. Now we have no credentials for 3 days now. He bought an account on 9th April 2024. The login credentials of the challenge are still not received. This is not commendable. The customer service is not responding. I confirmed that myself. The customer service guys are slow. In my previous video, I know, I checked, I tried sending message to them, no response. And also, we don't know their broker. I've tried to find out their broker they are using. I don't know. If you know about the broker, please tell us. That is where we have to start the review from. If you can know the broker which they are operating on, or if they are their own broker, we should know, so that we can now know how far the regulations about the broker, is it well regulated, how far is the broker doing. That's even the most important thing here, right? So all these things are the negative reviews here. I won't go through all of them. You can just take out your time. If you want to check what people are saying, go to the positive side of it, negative side of it, compare and contrast. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button, use this thumb or use this thumb. Touch the subscribe button. The like button is just at the left corner. Click it also. Nothing will happen to your finger. Just like the video, subscribe to the channel. Come back to check up on more reviews like this. Check up I Greet You Mentor. I Greet You. Then check up on other official information we release here on the YouTube. Join me on Telegram. Follow me on Instagram, because we are always hot. We give it to you real. Nothing is excluded. We are live all day, all night. I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe, alright? I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.